In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Zoho app on your laptop or PC. Whether you're using Windows, Mac, or Linux, this step-by-step guide will ensure that you set everything up smoothly and efficiently. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. This will be our starting point as we take you through the process of getting the Zoho app. Once you have Google open, you'll need to type in Zoho Mail Download App into the search bar. This will help us quickly find the correct page from which we can download the Zoho Mail desktop application. As you type this in, Google will launch a series of related results. Your task is to locate the link that reads Download Zoho Mail desktop app for Windows, Mac, Linux, and click on it. This link is your gateway to the Zoho Mail application download page. Don't worry if you're not using Windows. The page caters to all major operating systems, including Mac and Linux. Once you're on the Zoho Mail download page, you should see different options available for various operating systems. On this page, you'll want to click on Download for Windows. Now, if you're not on a Windows device, Zoho's website will conveniently guide you through selecting the appropriate version for your operating system. It's as simple as clicking the correct button for your system. Before you proceed, you'll be prompted to choose between the 32-bit and 64-bit versions of the app. If you're unsure about your system type, a quick way to check it is to navigate to your system settings, where you can find information about your operating system's version and bit architecture. Alternatively, if you generally use a modern laptop or PC, you're most likely running a 64-bit system, but it's always good to confirm this. Once you've made your selection, hit the download button and allow the file to download onto your system. The download might take a few moments, depending on your internet speed, so just sit tight. While the download bar progresses, feel free to grab yourself a tea or coffee. As soon as it's completed, we're ready to transition into the installation phase. In our next video, we will guide you through the installation steps, ensuring that the Zoho Mail app is properly set up on your computer. So remember to stay tuned and follow along as we complete this process together. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to drop a comment below and we'll be more than happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next segment of our tutorial.